In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept one-time payments with Jotform. Whether you're running an online store or simply need to collect a payment from a client, Jotform offers an intuitive way to manage transactions with efficiency and ease. Let's dive right into the process to get you started. First things first, head over to jotform.com and sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly set one up by following their user-friendly prompts. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in Jotform's workspace where all the magic happens. Now that you're inside, you need to decide how you want your form to look. Jotform provides two options. You can either choose a suitable template from their wide selection, or create a custom form using their drag and drop builder. This flexibility allows you to tailor the form to your needs, ensuring that it not only functions well but also aligns with your branding. With your form template ready, it's time to add fields for customer information. Make sure you include sections for essential details such as the customer's name, email, and address. Also importantly, incorporate fields for payment information, whether that's credit card details or a selection of payment methods. In this example, we've integrated the form with Stripe to streamline payment processing. Now let's look closely at configuring the payment settings. Navigation to the payment widget settings is your next step. Here you will select the option that best matches your goals. You can choose either sell products if you are offering a tangible item, or a specific service or user defined if you want more control over the payment options. If you opt to use the sell products option, you'll need to create an entry for your product or service. Be sure to include all pertinent details such as the product name and description, and of course the one-time price. This step is crucial for ensuring that your clients know exactly what they're purchasing. To specify that the payment should indeed be a one-time transaction, you need to set the number of payments to 1. This ensures that neither you nor your client will encounter any unexpected recurring charges. It's a straightforward but essential step for clear financial dealings. And just like that, you're all set to start accepting one-time payments through Jotform. Take a moment to review the form to make sure everything is in place and functioning as expected. Conduct a test if you can, using a small transaction to check that the integration with your payment system flows smoothly from start to finish. With Jotform's versatile platform and these straightforward steps, managing payments becomes a breeze. I hope this guide has clarified the process for you, making your payment collection as seamless as possible. Thank you for watching and happy form building.